Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview BioGuard Sparkle Up. What is BioGuard Sparkle Up? BioGuard Sparkle Up is a cellulose filter aid intended to be used when your filter experiences difficulty in filtering very small particles. This product helps the filter remove tiny particles of dirt, plaster dust, dead algae, pollen, and other small bits of debris. It also helps prevent metals, which prevents staining. Sparkle Up has been proven to enhance filter performance, and it is approved for use in all filter types. Product benefits: improves filtration, helps clarify water. Usage directions: before using this product, make sure the filter, hair and lint pot, and skimmer baskets are clean. To obtain uniform distribution of this product, mix the required amount in a clean bucket of water and add the slurry slowly through the skimmer with the pump on. Follow specific directions below for your type of filter. For more detailed instructions, please see the label. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.